look what I'm cooking today. It's a super quick meal. As you can see, I put the salmon right in the middle of the pot, and then at the left side I have the noodles, right side I have another portion of noodles, and then I threw the egg on top of each side because there are two persons eating this meal. So very easily, once this thing boils, I'm going to separate out easily one portion's noodle and another portion's noodle for the second person. We have got the salmon in between, dividing the pots. So as these things are cooking, the last item that I want to put on top will be these vegetables. So because these vegetables really cook quickly, so I'm going to add this last. I'm going to put on top, and then I'm going to let them boil. This is a really easy fix, like a quick meal, like really easy, like a shortcut way of cooking. Like I just put everything on top, and these vegetables, they get really like soft when they're cooked, so you have to add a lot. There you go. And here, they said that this water that drains out from vegetable is nutritious because it has got a lot of vitamins from the vegetable. But looking at the modern world situation, I believe vegetables are all filled with chemicals. So if it's vegetables from long time ago, probably I'll drink these water with the nutrients, but apparently I don't think it is the case in the modern world now, so I guess it will be filled with chemicals, so I'm not gonna drink that. And here you go, all vegetables on top of the pot, and right now I'm gonna put the lid and let it boil. After these things are out, I'm going to make cocoa soup. Right, I hope you have a good time in your stay home, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a good one and stay healthy. Bye guys. And don't forget not to touch your hands, not to touch your mouth, your nose, and don't dig your ears or mouth, okay? Bye bye.